The November Lush box is here. Woo! Sorry if this is a little late for anyone who was patiently waiting, but I was on a work trip, so I just got back and found it in my bathroom. Let's see what is inside. When we were voting, it was a lot of like spicy cinnamon stuff, so that's what I'm assuming is going to be in here. Let's see. Okay, so it's the same box as usual, the green with the grid. Okay, let's see. Indulgent Cozy Delights. Oh yeah, I can already smell like spiciness. Okay, we have this little card. Oh, have fun. Some stickers. My old friend who works there gave me a Halloween sticker thing, so very fun. Oh, look, there's a cat. Kitty cat. All right, let's see. See what we got here. Yognog body conditioner. I love this scent, at least from last year. Oh yeah, it smells like caramel. It's not as, it kind of looks like Play-Doh. Okay, what is this? Oh, we got the Fireball bath bomb. Very cinnamony, smells like a cinnamon stick. Here's the list of what is in there. Oopsies. Tai shower gel. Warm ginger infusion. Splash of fresh tangerine. Oh, that smells so good. Oh yes, I love it. I have so many shower gels now. What's this? What is this? Oh wow, Yognog perfume. Interesting. You know, I don't think I'm gonna use this, but it has ylang ylang, clove bud. Huh. Interesting. I don't think I want to smell like caramel, but is ylang ylang in this? No. Yes. Huh. Interesting. Oh wow. Oh, we have the scrub. This was out last holiday and I was not a fan. I might give that one away. Okay, that looks like that. I don't feel anything else, but let me check the paper and see if we missed anything. Nope, 5 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 items. That is what we got in this month's box. I actually did not order the Christmas box because I have quite a lot of items right now, so I need to use them before I get more. But I'm gonna do another one in the new year. Okay, so that was what was in November's Lush box. My favorite, I think, is the shower gel. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take a bath today. So I'm gonna try that Fireball bath bomb and see what it's like. But yeah, like I said earlier, I didn't get a December box because I have a lot of products that I have to work through. So no unwrapping for December. So we'll, but either January or February, I'll do another unboxing. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.